Hello, faith friends! Again, I am Karen Jean Chubisho. I am blessed and honored to be invited as today's Gospel share. Our Gospel for today is according to Matthew chapter 9, verses 14 to 17. Then the disciples of John came to him, saying, "Why do we and the Pharisees fast, but your disciples do not fast?" I know that this verse could be interpreted in many ways, but for me, this question is more of comparing. I know a lot of us can relate when it comes to comparing. Kasi ito yung madalas na nararanasan natin. We compared or being compared either in life, achievements, or physically. The sad part, sometimes we tend to compare just to give ourselves satisfaction. And that way we feel better. Why do I know this? Yes, because napagdaanan at minsan pinagdadaanan ko pa rin. But I realize it brings no good. It will not make us higher than them. But if we put our faith on Him, we will realize that my story, your story, and everyone's story is uniquely written by God. And if our plans do not align with what is happening, then just trust God's plan, because God's plan is always better than ours. In my personal experience, we tend to compare just to validate these two. Magaling or mahina ba ako? Whenever I feel these two, isilang hinihiling ko kay Lord, alisin niyo po ito sa akin. Insecurities o kayabangan lang po ang may dudulot nito sa akin. Sa plano at sa salita niyo pa rin po magtitiwala. Maraming salamat po at huwag ikalimutan i-like at i-subscribe and facebook.ph or download the Facebook app at www.facebook.ph. Thank you so much po and God bless.